A unitary B1 robot dog is spraying insecticides. An automatic plaster rendering machine having capacity of as 15 professional plasterers. Arboriculture pruning machine used for hedging citrus fruit trees. It's difficult to move on snowy road without rolling chainset on tires. These chains makes better grips. An automatic sugarcane peeling machine can peel off sugarcane with an outer diameter of 25 to 50 mm. Kinetic vine spinner with steel frame used to decorate garden and home. A rotating fastener catches metal and wraps it to coil spring. Battery-operated wooden tuk-tuk auto rickshaw designed as a robot drives it. Hedge trimmers is an ideal choice for cutting hedges, shrubs and bushes quickly. A powerful snowblower machine cleans road snow for easy transportation. Modern sawmills are easy operational to cut wood logs into lumber. Tractor-operated soil digging machine makes work easier for installation underground pipeline. Old engines are shredded with shredder machine to make recycling easier. Flexible sledgehammer are used to reduce the shock on your hands and provides better force. A roller shaft can grind chili hygienically without losing its taste. A giant truck is carrying train compartment, looking very awesome. Sliding miter saw with TCT blade is capable to cut wood at any angle. These are compact and lightweight. A motor-operated compaction machine used before road construction. Hydraulic brush cutter can cut shrubs and plants so quickly. A hand-push transplanter and seeder makes easier to seed small plants. Self-drive sprayer makes easier to spray fertilizers and pesticides to plants. A hand-operated pipe bending equipment can easily bend a pipe. Magical tool for removing copper from electric motors. Caterpillar solid chain track mounted instead of rubber tires for better gripping. Tractor operated ditching and dredging machine with small size has convenient operation. A rusted nut bolt that is unable to open firstly drilled and then can be unscrewed with specially designed tool. Bunch of wires are cubed with hydraulic press for easy storage. A round electromagnetic lifter can generate a magnetic field for lifting ferrous materials. Hydraulic powered arm with sharp cutter is capable to cut wood into small pieces. Rubber coating from wires is being removed by a rotating sharp cutter. Curing a under construction tunnel with different water spray guns that moves its direction continuously. This is how a shoe sole pasting is done. Giant bridge beam is being carried on truck. Tractor-operated hydraulic sharp cutter is capable to cut large tree stumps. Engine-operated auger drill bit machine makes easier for ice fishing. Robotic arms coming from different directions forming a metal structure. A punching machine is capable to punch large holes in seconds. A mini engine operated bed former performs a proper soil surface bed for vegetable farming. This machine covers edges of caterpillar tunnels. Precast stairs are easy and quick to install on construction site. Concrete pump makes construction work easier by transferring concrete floods with help of a pipeline. A motor-operated wood splitter can easily split wood logs. Scrap metal is being recycled because metal recycling is more cost-effective than mining a new one. Rebar bending machine can bend steel bars and TMT. A unique recipe is being made on the rotating griddle. Different arms are making metal rod to a hook-like shape. Watch slow motion of stitching clothes outright. A CNC printing machine can write on metal sheet with small dot pattern. Chicken balls filled with gram flour is being made with innovative idea. Two rotating shafts can easily form a metal rod to screw bolt shape. Hydraulic powered blade cuts the wood logs into small pieces. A snowplow truck is clearing snow from road.